Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be comparing three of the hottest creative AI tools right now: Kling AI, Freepik, Runway. So the first thing is Kling AI, because Kling AI builds itself as an all-in-one generative design assistant. It uses AI to take your rough sketches, prompts, or existing assets and turn them into polished graphics, logos, or tools. So when you first log in, you're generated by a clean browser-based canvas. On the left, a brand voice panel asks for a few inputs: your brand name, keywords, preferred tone, and any sample assets you already have. Within minutes, then Kling trains its model on your specific style. So whether it's a bold, playful, minimalistic, luxury-oriented. Then below that, you'll find presets like logo generator, and then special graphic, ad banner, and carousel layout. And from there, let's say you choose logo generator. So after logo generator, you enter your company name, and then you put in your handful of style templates, whether it's modern, vintage, geometric, and then click generate. And then instantly, you're presented with a dozen logo variations. So each rendered in the SVG format for crisp scaling, and then you can refine colors, swap fonts, and then preview mockups or mock business cards or merch. And then when you're happy, export your chosen logo in PNG, SVG, or PDF within a single click. So then moving to social graphics, Kling AI as well can auto-populate text overlays, suggest image pairings, and create multi-page carousels sized perfectly for Instagram. And that's really great because you can simply type in a caption or pull in a blog excerpt, and then Kling lays out each of the slides with brand consistent typography, imagery, and iconography. And then from there, a built-in editor lets you adjust spacing, swap in your own pictures, tweak the color palette on the fly, and there's no jumping between Photoshop and Illustrator. Everything lives in one unified workspace. And then under the hood, Kling leverages advanced diffusion and transformer models fine-tuned on your brand's data, and then the result is a content that never feels generic. Instead, it echoes your established voice. And then you can also invite team members into your shared workspace, comment on drafts, and lock final designs in a central brand library. As for pricing, Kling AI offers a free trial with limited credits, enough to generate a handful of logos or social posts, and then the paid plans start at $29 a month, unlocking unlimited exports, multi-user collaboration, and priority support. And there's also an enterprise tier with custom model training, dedicated account management. And the pros I would say about this, I'm getting to the other one in a second, is the true brand consistency from the first prompt, and the rapid mockup generation. So 30 posts in 3 minutes is realistic, and then integrated asset management and team collaboration. So the considerations I would say are: the initial voice training setup requires thoughtful input, and then the highest per seat cost for small teams. And overall, if you need an AI co-designer that all iterates and brand assets, Kling AI is a top choice. It focuses on end-to-end design and makes it ideal for startups, agencies, and marketing teams who need consistent visuals at scale. Next up is Freepik, which takes up a different type of approach. It's a massive stock library enhanced with AI editing tools. When you visit freepik.com or log into Freepik platform, you're essentially browsing one of the world's largest collection of photos, vectors, icons, and PSD templates, over 20 million assets and counting. As core, Freepik is about ready-made content. Need a flat vector hero illustration for your landing page, like searching for a co-working illustration. Want a high-resolution photo of a coffee shop interior? Type it in and instantly scroll through hundreds of results, and every asset shows license details, format options, and download sizes. And you can filter by style, flatline art, realistic by orientation, color, or popularity. And where Freepik starts to lean on AI is in its editing style, integrated directly onto its website. So you can select any vector and then click the edit button to launch the vector editor. You can recolor each segment, swap out the shapes, or adjust the stroke width. And from there, the stroke width, as well as you can need a custom icon that sets the matches in your brand colors, and you can upload a color palette image, apply to vector, and Freepik automatically recolors every asset in the set. And then you can just drag and drop your photo, hit remove background, download a transparent PNG, or choose from preset replacement backgrounds. And then Freepik also offers style transfer features, so you can upload a reference image or pick from presets like retro poster, or watercolor, and the AI reimagines your selected graphic or photo with that aesthetic. And then downloading assets on Freepik works via credits or subscription. You can purchase individual credits for premium downloads, but the more cost-effective route is the unlimited plan at $9.99 per month, and that grants you full access to the entire library and unlimited uses. And the plan also removes ads and grants you commercial uses right out the box. So I would say the pros about this is the vast, high-quality stock library for every project you need, and the quick AI-powered background removal and recoloring, and affordable unlimited plan for high-volume users. And the considerations I would say is less generative freedom. Like you start with existing assets, not from scratch. And the advanced AI editing is limited to specific tools, no like full generative layouts. And if your workflow relies on combining curated stock photos and illustrations with occasional AI tweaks, Freepik's combination of breadth and editing power is tough to beat. It's a perfect complement to the generative tools when you need highly polished assets with minimal design effort. Now let's look at Runway. So Runway is a platform designed for AI-driven video creation and post-production. Runway's, web-based studio application is great because it's like a professional NLE. You have a timeline at the bottom, a preview window top center, and a panel of AI tools on the right. So starting a new video project by uploading your footage or selecting a blank canvas for text to video generation, Runway's text to video module allows you to type prompts like a serene forest at sunrise and choose aspect ratio, duration, and style, and then you can press generate. So then within a minute, you have a short AI animated clip matching your description, which you can then tweak frame by frame. For existing footage, Runway shines with in-painting and out-painting. So if you want a background object, simply draw a mask over in preview, and then Runway's AI fills in the mask area by sampling surrounding pixels. No green screen is required. And then Runway's AI fills in the mask area by sampling the surrounding pixel. I already said that. And then conversely, out-painting lets you extend the borders of your clip seamlessly, generating new content that matches the scene's lighting and color palette. The green screen and alpha tools are equally impressive because dragging in the chroma key effect onto your clip selects your background color, and then the tool instantly isolates your object. So you can then drop in any background stock footage, animated loop, or generated video from the text to video tool. And Runway also offers AI actors and voiceover generation. So you can upload a script and pick from synthetic voices that you can modulate for tone, speed, and emphasis. And for an on-screen presenter and hiring talent, this can be a game changer. And for social media creators, Runway's auto subtitle tool transcribes dialogue and embeds captions in a single click, ideal for TikTok or Instagram Reels. And when it comes to pricing, Runways uses a GPU credit system, so each plan includes a monthly allowance, which starting with a free tier offering 5 credits all the way up to an enterprise plan with thousands of credits. Credits pay for AI intensive tasks like video generation and painting, and basic video editing and simpler AI effects incur lower or no credit costs. So I believe paid plan begins at $12 per month for 50 credits, scaling up for power users. And the pros I would say about this is the industry leading AI video generation and editing tools, and the seamless in-painting and out-painting and keying without external software, and the synthetic voiceovers and auto captioning for fast social content. And some considerations I would say is credit-based pricing can be complex to budget for at scale, and then some AI generated video results require manual refinement to avoid artifacts. And if your primary focus is videos, whether add social clips or longer form content, Runway brings Hollywood level AI tools into your browser, and it's a must-have for anyone serious about AI powered video generation. So to recap, Kling AI is your go-to for end-to-end brand asset generation, logos, graphics, and carousels all into one collaborative platform. And Freepik supplies a massive stock library plus smart AI edits like background removal and recoloring at an unbeatable price. And Runway delivers state-of-the-art AI video tools, text to video, and painting, green screens, and synthetic voiceovers. And choose Kling AI if you need unique generation design that flexes to your brand. Pick Freepik if you want instant polished stock asset with AI power tweaks, or go with Runway if your workflow centers on video production and post-production enhancements. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you later.